Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I've got translucent powder on me, but I hope you don't mind. I hope you're having a great day or a day of your choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'm very excited, so excited. I finally got my hands on the Muerte palette from Melt. I have the sister palette to that, which is the Vita, and together they make this amazing art. It's an art piece, you know, it's just totally beautiful. And the color story for this one is very bright and cheerful, and then this one is a little darker and more moody. But I'm very excited to have the complete set. Melt re-released this palette. It was came out originally holiday of 2019, and after much popular demand, they brought it back. So let's do a look with this beautiful palette, but let's do some magic swatches first. Ready? Look at those colors. They're amazing. That's just one dip and one swipe. Melt has the best pigments in the business. Get this off so I don't get it all over me. So we're gonna do some kind of dark and mysterious look today. I'm thinking to use some of these greens and the blues. And then this Calasia shimmer is really beautiful. But that's what I'm thinking about. I'm gonna go into Lagrimas. Look at that, that's so beautiful. And put it in my crease. I didn't go into it real heavy. I went into it pretty light. I didn't want it to be overpowering because it's a crease color. And if you ever wondered if I use primer, I use concealer to prime my eyelids and a little translucent powder to set the colors in place. I'm going to go into Angelito here. And it is a shimmer. It's very pretty. I don't work with this kind of color story very often, but I feel very in the mood for something mysterious. I'm going to go into Katrina with my finger. Oh, that's really beautiful. Maybe I should have used a brush. It's a little out of control. But that's very beautiful. I'm gonna get a brush and blend on that. Blend it up into the crease a little. That's really pretty. I'm going to go into Calasia and do my inner corner. And that looks a lot more yellow than I expected it to, but it's super bright. I'm going to blend that out. This is really pretty on its own. I don't know that I want to add a whole lot more to this. Maybe a little bit of depth with Pantheon, which is a very dark color. Whoa, it's so pigmented. Let's see about blending that out. It's just crazy looking. Let's do a little tissue issue. Soften it up some, but that looks really cool. It is wild. Let's do some liner and mascara and I'll be right back. Voila, we have the mascara and the liner on, and that really adds a lot to the look. Now the lip is a big question mark. What should I do for this lip? So pretty. I'm thinking a nude because this is just so bold, or a red to make it just like so much, but I think I'm going to do a nude, and I'm going to do Manny MUA's Perfection liquid lipstick. It matches my lip color almost perfectly. Maybe too much. That was too pale. Seductress should work. It's got a little more color to it. Nope. Maybe a red. This is Dose of Colors Date Night. I love that. I love that a lot. Hell yeah. Rock it out. Sweet. So we finished off with Date Night from Dose of Colors Liquid Lip. And we used the Muerte palette today from Melt Cosmetics, the reissue. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.